Spider, sex. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, as you guys can see by the title, we are going to be doing some mini box braids on my natural hair. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this hairstyle right here, please be sure to keep watching and let's get right into the video. For today's video, you're going to need a wide tooth comb, a small tooth or rat tail comb, and I'm going to be using some beeswax, but you can use jam or whichever product you prefer to use. So I'm just gonna take my hair out. I currently have them in these large braids, so I'm just gonna unravel all of them. If you guys keep seeing me looking to the side, it's because my mirror is to this side, so my apologies for that. Okay, now that my hair is fully unraveled, it's not tangled or anything, so I'm just gonna go right ahead and start patting my hair in the section so we can start braiding them. Once the pat is complete, I'm just going to tie the rest of my hair out of the way and use two mirrors to check to see if the pat is straight. Okay, the pat isn't straight, but it's good enough. So I'm just gonna divide the braid into three, and we're gonna play a game of crisscross. You can start with the left or right side, bring that to the middle, and then bring the hair to the other end to the middle and repeat all the way down.
Spider, sex. Yeah, 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 yeah.
So I don't know if y'all can see this, but it has a bit of flyaways, so I'm just gonna take some beeswax and run my fingers smoothly along the braid, and all the flyaways should become laid. So yeah, there we have it, our first braid. Now I'm just gonna repeat that throughout the rest of my hair. I'm just gonna divide the braid into three, and we're gonna play a game of crisscross. You can start with the left or right side, bring that to the middle, and then bring the hair to the other end to the middle and repeat all the way down. Okay, so we have the first three braids down. This is what they look like.
niece. Only one she got hit at the spinning knee. I feel a little rich this week. 10 phones, my family to not be cheap. I told her FN on me. Connie, she needs just a Glocky keep. Do rolling 60 locked in seats. Me rolling that coupe with a bucket seats. Got it up mud like a football clinic. I use a drop out of that photo G. Call her the plug and he know what I need. Just stay underneath so we hardly speak. Yeah, come in New York, cash money. Yeah, ain't the stomach, but I'm stunning.
So this is what the hair looks like so far. As you guys can see, we use the braid method, so the hair falls over the hair that is at the bottom, so it's like an overlay. Bro, y'all, I can't even lie, I'm on the last one and my fingers feel like they're gonna fall off.
Spiders, sex. Yeah, 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 yeah. The price I want for sure, you gon' need 3.
Okay guys, so we are finished. So here is the final product.
Bitch made all the coders. Yeah. I just told her make a store run. Yeah. I just bought all the Trojans. Yeah. Yeah. I told her stab my niece. Yeah. I told her stop telling everything she seen and told her meet me at the Ritz. I got baguettes in the back of my ring and I went in trying to hit. I told her she gotta run through the team before she can talk to the lit. Before she can talk to the I just pulled up in some foods. I told her mama tie all my shoes.
Okay guys, this is the end of the video. I feel like this hairstyle took probably about 3 hours. I'll put the correct amount of time on the screen. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Please be sure to subscribe, leave a comment if you enjoy or if you have any video suggestions. Yeah, peace.